Saperstein disregarding of offensive signal. Let's have appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Matthew Rosenthal for the people, P84807.
Good morning, Your Honor. Bruce Saperstein representing Rodney Saperstein.
Thank you. Mr. Saperstein, I need your name, sir.
Rodney Saperstein. Rodney Saperstein.
Thank you. What do you want to do, Mr. Prosecutor?
Yes, Your Honor. After a brief discussion, unfortunately, the officer, I believe this was adjourned to good cause because of some family issues going on, and wasn't able to make it. But we are just asking, Your Honor, for a pretrial date on August 23rd at any time that works best, Your Honor.
All right. Since you've already worked this out with counsel, we will set a pretrial date for August 23rd at 8:30 in the morning.
Thank you, Your Honor.
8:30,
All right.
Your Honor. Okay.
Attorney Saperstein, you and your client are free to go until August 23rd at 8:30.
You have a good day and thank you very kindly, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. You too.
Have a good day. And then we do have Corporal Knapp. I believe that is for, is that a new?
This person is here.
Okay, he can come in and have a seat.
For Snowden? Do we have Tracy Snowden in? Do we know, Don?
No,
No? Okay.
no, not yet.
Absolutely. I'm gonna text APA Cole now. So
Okay, and I do have a gentleman that's, oh, wait a minute, I might have an offer. Let me see.
what's the individual's name?
Eric Sheridan. Oh, I do have an offer.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna send this over to Attorney Zaranek. And I'm gonna get Mr. Sheridan set up on Zoom.
Absolutely. What was I gonna say? Yep, absolutely. I'll text APA Cole.
Okay, thank you.
And then if you could, do you have her email?
I do.
Can you send her copies of the tickets by any chance?
Yeah, and this is for,
For Sullivan.
yes. I can do
Thank
that.
you.
Mhm. Oh, we don't have tickets. Okay. Mr. Sheridan, do you have your phone?
Yes.
Okay, if you can bring it up, I'm gonna set you up on Zoom, and then you can go out in the hallway, and that way you can have a private conversation.
My son broke my screen.
You don't have to use the screen. You can call in. I'm gonna set it up
Okay.
for you. Give me just 1 second. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a phone number to call,
Sure.
and let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay. Okay, so it's 929-436.
929. Ooh.
436
436
2866.
2866.
Yeah. Okay, when you call that, it's going to ask you to enter a meeting ID number. I'm going to give you that number.
I'm calling right now.
Yep.
Okay, it's asking for it.
Did it ask? Okay, so enter 360 360
360
333 and then 4 zeros.
40.
Yep. 0000. Okay, when you hear the doorbell in the courtroom, you can go out in the hall.
Okay.
Hey, Don.
I have to renew.
Okay,
ID number.
all right. Yep, one moment, Attorney Zaranek. Okay, so 360.
Are they about to make me call it all over?
Okay. Here, you want to bring me your phone and I'll do it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Attorney Zaranek, I sent you some paperwork on Mr. Sheridan. I'm just trying to set him up on Zoom.
Okay. That was my question, whether he was the one in court or,
Yeah,
okay.
okay.
Enter your meeting ID, followed by. By pound. Otherwise, just press pound to continue. You are in the meeting now.
Is
There
the mother
are
still here?
11 participants in the meeting. Added to the waiting room. You cannot talk or listen until the host admits you to the meeting.
You can go out in the hall, Mr. Sheridan, and you'll be able to talk to the attorney. I'm going to let you in the meeting room and you can talk to him out in the hall, okay? Mr. Sheridan, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, I'm going to place you on hold and the attorney will be with you in just a moment.
Okay,
It's going to be quiet, so just don't hang up, all right? Just stay on the phone.
okay.
Thank you. Mr. Sullivan, we're still waiting on your file. I need you to go back into the breakout room, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Attorney Zaranek, did you want to go in and talk to Mr. Sheridan?
Yeah, so I see him now. Okay,
Okay, thank you.
thank you.
Attorney Rosenthal?
Marjorie Broughton, no takeover.
All right, Mr. Sheridan's ready.
Oh,
All
Attorney
right.
Zaranek, can you tell him to push #6 to get out?
Okay,
Thank you.
Yeah, Attorney Zaranek, are you ready for me to call Sheridan's case?
yep, I'll just get him out of the breakout room and, oh, looks like he already did.
Yep, he's out.
I think he's on the screen now.
Yep, he's ready to roll, Judge.
All right, this is case number SB 747-1271, Eric Sheridan, driver's license expired. Let's have appearances.
Bob Zaranek for Mr. Sheridan. Mr. Sheridan, can you state your name, sir?
Yes, my name is Eric Randall Sheridan.
Thank you. Is there an offer house, counsel?
There is, Judge. He's here today on a bench warrant. We're asking that the warrant be recalled. The offer is to plead to a failure to display. He'd like to take advantage of that offer.
All right, since Mr. Sheridan has appeared today, I will withdraw the bench warrant and have that bench warrant withdrawn. Madam Clerk, would you swear Mr. Sheridan in?
Yes, Mr. Sheridan, can you raise your right hand and let me know when it's raised?
It's raised.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you?
Yes,
Okay, you can lower your hand.
Pay attention to me, Mr. Sheridan. Did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
yes, yes, sir.
Did anyone threaten you or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, sir.
Are you pleading responsible because you are responsible?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty because you are actually guilty? Responsible.
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you understand that by pleading responsible, you will waive your right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Knowing that you are waiving that right, do you wish to continue to plead responsible?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, void your client for factual basis.
Mr. Sheridan, were you driving in the city of Detroit when you received the ticket?
Yes, sir.
Did you get stopped by a Detroit police officer?
Yes, sir.
Did you fail to show him a valid license?
Yes, sir.
I'm satisfied, Judge.
All right, I'm going to find that Ms. Sheridan is fair responsible to case number SB 747-1271, which has been reduced to driver's license expired to failure to display. Mr. Sheridan, you owe us $200. How much time you need to pay?
Yes. I was trying to.
Could he have 60 days, Judge? We talked about that, and
All right, Mr. Sheridan, I'll give you 60 days to pay the fine. 36districtcourt.org.
Yes, sir.
All right, you're free to go.
Thank you.
hey, Don, how long for the officers to appear?
That's up to the judge. I'm not. Your Honor, when is your cutoff time?
9:30.
Okay,
Okay.
we got a few minutes on that one then. Was there an offer on Evans?
Janiyah Evans.
Janiyah Evans, Mr. Prosecutor.
No, we're just saying, do they have valid documentation?
I'll find out for you. Be right
If not, Mr. Zaranik, on 7-2, it's gonna be amended to improper and 7-1 dismissed.
Okay, be right back.
Yes, sir. We look to be in good shape, Your Honor. I don't even know if, for Sullivan, I did text APA Cole, but I don't know if we are gonna even have officers present for Sullivan. I do know we have the one on Snowden.
Well, it will play out the way it plays out after 9:30. So
Oh,
if the
absolutely, Your
officers
Honor.
don't show, then that is what it is.
Absolutely, Your Honor. Yeah, so I'm wait around with you guys. I'm just gonna check one other courtroom. And if you guys, I'll be right back, Your Honor, if
All
that's
right,
okay.
we aren't in any hurry.
Thank you,
Attorney
sir.
Gleason?
Yes,
On Janiyah Evans, there's a civil infraction ticket in here as well.
okay.
It's not on the docket for some reason.
What's the civil infraction? Or,
It's
yeah,
speeding 21 to 25 over posted
okay.
and tinted windows.
And, oh, so 2, okay. So that's gonna, if we pulled out if it might be in default, pull them out default, the offer be different. I might have them take the course and come back, but I'll talk to Mr. Zaranik when he
Okay,
comes
thank
back.
you.
Thank you.
Hi, Judge. Miss Evans is ready. She's in the courtroom.
All right.
Actually, Attorney Zaranek, there was a civil infraction, and I think Attorney Rosenthal wanted to talk to you, Prosecutor Rosenthal.
Okay.
So you ready on Evans?
Yes.
I think
All right.
there's might be one other ticket, Judge, that wasn't on the docket.
Okay.
Just a
So
second.
you have to wait for the
I'm
prosecutor to
just
come
waiting
back?
for Prosecutor Rosenthal for a minute.
All right, I think he left. Oh, no, he's still here. I see him on the screen, but I don't know if he's still here.
Yeah. Matthew, can you hear us?
Did you want to go back into a room, Attorney Zaranek?
Yeah, I got your chat.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Evans, can you go back to breakout room 5, please?
Okay.
Your Honor, did you want to write down the ticket number for the civil infraction that's not on the docket?
Sure. What's the
Okay.
number?
SP 124-00841 and 2.
And
Count
what
one is,
are the charges for 1 and 2?
count 1 is 21 to 25 over posted speed. And count 2 is tinted windows.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
Hey, Judge, Miss Evans is back and ready.
Are you ready on Evans now?
We are.
All right,
Yes.
all right. This is case number SP 124-02071, Janiyah Evans, unregistered and titled. Case number SP 124-02072, Janiyah Evans, no insurance. Case number SP 124-00841, count 1, 21 to 25, count 2, tenant windows. Let's have appearances.
Bob Zaranick for Miss Evans. Miss Evans, can you state your name, ma'am?
Janiyah Evans.
Thank you. Is there an offer, House Counsel?
The offer, Judge, is for Miss Evans to complete the Michigan Driver Improvement Course through the Secretary of State and come back in about a month with her certificate, and we can make her a better offer.
All right. Madam Clerk, let me have an adjourned date for Miss Evans.
Yes, Your Honor. July 28th at 8:35.
Get that date, Miss Evans, July 28th, 8:35.
July 28th, 8:35.
Yes, ma'am, and you need to have them, done the driver improvement class by that date.
Okay.
All right, thank you. You're free to go.
Just one more question. It's on the social, it's on the website, correct?
Secretary of State website, yes.
Okay. All right,
Miss
thank you.
Evans-
All right.
Miss Evans,
Yes.
is your email at yahoo.com?
No, it's Janiyah Evans, the number 2 at gmail.com.
Okay, I'll send you information on it.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna go talk to a couple other people.
I'm sorry?
I'm gonna go talk to a couple other people, see if they're
Okay.
ready.
No problem. Mr. Prosecutor, anything I can do for you?
No, Your Honor, we're good at the moment. I'm just checking subpoenas and doing some emails. I'm just waiting to see if anyone else comes in, Your Honor. We should be looking good.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Judge, we are ready on Miss Shanks.
I'm sorry?
We are ready on Miss Shanks.
All right. This is case number SP 122-21432, Liani Shanks, improper plates. Let's have appearances.
Bob Zaranick for Miss Shanks. Please state your name, ma'am.
Leonie Shanks.
Thank you. Is there an offer, House Counsel?
Judge, this matter is up for a review for payment. Ms. Shanks has not paid the fine as of yet. She's having some financial difficulties, Judge. We were wondering if we could convert the money payment to community service.
Okay. Okay. So, Ms. Shanks, I'm willing to do that. House Counsel, help me out with the conversion. I haven't worked with it in a while. Oh, the prosecutor's here. How much does she owe?
Your Honor, what's the balance in dollars, Your Honor?
House Counsel, what's the balance in dollars?
Madam Clerk,
I'm looking it up.
thank you.
Your Honor, it's $200, and according to the list that I have.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. Prosecutor,
Yes, Your
community
Honor.
service, $200.
Mhm.
What's the $100 for how many hours?
Yes, Your
What's the
Honor.
equivalent?
What was the list that you had, Don? I just want to double check with the clerk.
So the monetary amount is between 154 and 231, and that would be between 2 and 3 days of community service.
Okay, so yeah, 2 or 3 days, Your Honor, at your discretion. And they would just be, regular work hours, be, fulfilling, I believe, 8 hours of those 2 or 3 days, for that amount.
All right, well, why don't we give Ms. Shanks 2 days?
Yes, Your Honor.
So that's 16 hours?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Shanks, you owe us 16 hours of community service, and you have to work that out with our community service division at the 36th District Court. Madam Clerk, give her the number for the community service division so she can work this out.
Yes, Your Honor. Actually, if I could have her call me in the courtroom, Your Honor, I have to get some information to pass on to probation.
No problem. What about time for her to come back for a review?
Did you want to give her 60 days?
Well, she's got to do 16 hours of community service. You can give her however much time she needs to have accomplished community service and then come back.
Okay. Ms. Shanks, how much time do you think it's going to take you to do 16 hours of community service?
2 days. It's
Well,
no
she
problem.
doesn't really have an idea now because he hasn't even talked to the people yet.
Right.
So why
Your
don't we
Honor.
give her 30 days or something?
Okay.
Let's give her 30 days. That'll give her 30 days to talk with the people at 36th District Court and to get it done.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Ms. Shanks, can you give me a call in the courtroom, please? Do you have something to write with?
Yes, let me grab this pen. I'm ready.
965
Okay.
2286.
286.
No, 2286.
Okay.
965-2286. If you could give me a call, I can give you the information for probation and gather what I need as well.
And your name is, please, once I call?
Dawn.
Miss what?
Dawn.
Miss Dawn. Okay.
Thank you.
Madam Clerk, we still need a review date.
Oh, Your
So
Honor,
the court can determine whether she's done this or not.
August 25th at 8:35.
You need to come back August 25th at 8:35.
Okay, thank you. No problem. Do you want me to call now, Miss Dawn?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you.
All right,
welcome.
you're free to go, Ms. Shanks.
Okay, thank you.
You never received anything from Mr. Smith, did you, Don?
I've still been checking, no.
Yeah, me neither. I gave my email too.
What about Sullivan? He's in room 1.
Sullivan, we're just waiting until 9:30 for officers, Judge.
Oh, okay.
So a couple minutes.
Okay, no problem.
Thanks.
Hello.
Hello, can I get your name, please? Hello? Can I get your name, please?
CR333.
iPhone, who are you? iPhone, who are you?
Hello.
What's your name, ma'am?
I'm just a little confused on where do I go on the Michigan website for the Secretary of State for the driving course. I went on there and I'm not sure what it's up under. Can somebody like send me
Didn't the
information?
clerk ask you to call her?
I didn't get no number, no contact number to call
She
her.
gave you a number.
This
No.
is Miss Evans.
Yes.
Miss Evans, can you give me a call, please, at 313-965-2286?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge, it's 9:30 if you want to do the Sullivan case.
All right. Yeah, I can call it.
I'll tell him to come out.
All right.
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna call your case, Mr. Sullivan. This is case number SX381-97171. Demario Sullivan's license improper. Case number SX381-97172. Demario Sullivan reckless driving. Case number 204-557-151. Demario Sullivan, no
Yes.
operator's license. Let's have appearances.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Sullivan, Your Honor.
Let me have your name, Mr. Sullivan.
Demario James Sullivan.
Thank you. House counsel.
Judge, his matters today are up for trial. I do not see the officer that is that's listed as the officer that issued these tickets. We're going to ask for a dismissal.
All right, Madam Clerk, has the officer appeared on the Demario Sullivan case?
No, Your Honor, it would be Officer Craig and Vandersteen.
And neither one has appeared?
No, Your Honor.
All right, based on council's motion, this matter was set at 8:30. It is now 9:32. Neither officer has appeared on these tickets. I'm going to dismiss ticket number SX381-97171, ticket number SX381-97172, and ticket number 204-557-151. All right, Mr. Sullivan, I see that big smile on your face. You owe us $25. You owe us $25 house counsel fee.
I got it.
All right, Don, just
House counsel fee tomorrow, Mr. Sullivan, $25, 36
Okay.
court.
I'll be down there in an hour.
All right, Attorney Zernick, you had something to say?
Hey, Don, on that ticket for Mr. Sullivan, the 2424551,
Yes, sir.
my docket says adjourn to pay.
Oh, all right.
Is that up for trial or?
Let me
or-
look.
Oh, I'm
No,
sorry, Mr. Sullivan, it looks like you were supposed to pay this ticket. Did you pay it?
Correct.
I can't dismiss
I didn't know I
it
was
if you were
supposed
supposed
to
to
pay
pay.
I didn't never got a notice for me to pay a ticket.
What
I've been waiting on the court date. They just told me I've been getting adjourned the court date, and I just been waiting. Every time I came to the court date, they'd adjourned it.
I don't know if that one's been adjudicated now, Judge.
Madam Clerk, has that ticket been adjudicated?
Yes, Your Honor, ticket number 204-557-151. He pled on that ticket on April 27th, 2021, and was given a fine of $324.
You had over a year to pay that ticket, Mr. Sullivan. I'll give you 30 days. After that,
I'll
we're
pay
gonna
it.
have
I
you
still
arrested.
pay it. Okay, I'll have it paid.
All right, 30 days. Madam Clerk, we'll adjourn this matter for 30 days. Gives Mr. Sullivan one more opportunity to pay.
Yes, sir.
So you had 2 tickets dismissed, but not this ticket.
I got it. I'm gonna pay it
Ticket
today then.
205557 is on our docket.
Hold on 1 second. Can I get that number one time again, sir?
The number is
ticket number.
204-557-151.
Okay.
All
Thank
right,
you. I can go down there and call now.
all right. Thank you. You're free to go.
Judge, I think Corporal Knapp is here. He's here today on a defendant named Tracy Snowden. Miss Snowden has not appeared.
All right, we will call those tickets so we can issue the warrant for her arrest. This is case number SP 117-41931, Tracy Snowden, driver's license suspended. Ticket number SP 117-41932, Tracy Snowden, no insurance. Case number SP 117-41933, Tracy Snowden, no plates. Let's have appearances.
Bob Zaranick for Miss Snowden. Corporal Knapp, could you state your name, please?
Corporal Paul Knapp, Detroit Police Department, badge 40186 6th Precinct.
Thank you. Where's your client, counsel?
No, Judge. These matters are set for a trial today. Officer Knapp's been here since 8:30. Miss Snowden has decided not to appear today. I have no accountability for her whereabouts, Judge.
All right, based on the fact that this matter was set at 8:35, it is now 9:36. Ms. Snowden has failed to appear. I'm gonna issue a warrant for her arrest for her failure to appear. Madam Clerk. Oh, okay, I issued a warrant for her arrest, so I guess that takes care of Ms. Snowden for today. Corporal Knapp, you're free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a great day.
All right.
Thank you, Corporal Knapp.
Thank you.
All right.
Oh, Matthew Snyder, was he on that case?
Yes, Your Honor, I was unfortunately had technology issues. I couldn't get on at 8:45. My legal counsel in Nashville was having issues too. So I apologize for the delay. I was hoping I could still get a hearing.
Are you a police officer?
No, sir, I am a proper.
Oh, you're on the docket?
Yeah, at 8:45 this morning.
Yes, Your Honor. He's on 845 on page 2.
Oh, okay. You're here, Mr. Snyder. If the prosecutor will make an offer for you, we'll deal with you.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate that consideration.
Be patient.
Mr.
And
Schneider,
I'll also have to talk with you.
Mr.
Okay.
Schneider, they're going to put you in a breakout room. Just wait in that breakout room and we'll be with you shortly.
And we also, I'm sorry. We also have a James Smith as well.
Yeah, James Smith, we're waiting for some documents.
Oh, okay.
So can you look at Snyder and see if you can make an offer, Mr. Prosecutor?
Yes, Your Honor. It might be best because a lot of this stuff seems to be business doc related. To come back showing of a business license, it sounds like he's living in a different state. So if he can't provide that, I will definitely make an offer. If he wants them all to go away, we just need to see. I'll go pull the file, Your Honor. But it seems like business license stuff.
I'll go talk to him and see where we're at.
Thank you. I'm gonna go down and get the file, Your Honor.
All right.
Courtroom 233.
Okay, yeah, be here before. Be here before. All right.
Mr. Smith, I still haven't received that email.
Yes, I talked to the attorney. He told me to, because my phone, I got an Android phone, and I don't think it's going to send it, but my daughter, she's on her way here. She should be here about 10 minutes. I'm gonna use her smartphone to send information.
Perfect. Until then, Mr. Smith, I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, while I'm down there, can you put me a docket up for Tuesday and Wednesday?
Hey, Matthew.
Hey, how you doing, Mr. Zaranek? So, yeah, so what are we doing?
So he tells me they're Premier Parking, and this is a
Okay.
parking lot permit that he got the ticket on. They're in the process of this with the city of getting the license. You know, they're
Okay.
somewhere in the process, and he's got
Let's
documents that, you know, they've done the application, they've received the info back from the city. They're just, you know, he doesn't have an exact date. So I don't know if we can give him a month or something to bring in the license.
yeah. Yeah, if we could do that just to show licensing compliance, you know, we get rid of a lot of this stuff. I think I'd rather give him time than, you know, give him a plea today.
Right. Okay. I'll go get him.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Let me know. I think we're looking good.
I think so.
Not wrong with that. Monday. Okay, so this. Today's the 20th. Yep. We have the afternoons here for today.
Yeah, but they're just
Yeah.
sign up.
That. 7, 8. And I'll have Monday and Tuesday down here hopefully. Oh, what is this? This guy's a pain.
Hi, Judge. We're ready on Mr. Schneider.
All right. This is case number V 501-07621, Matthew Snyder, Park disclaim. Ticket number V 501-07721, Matthew Snyder, Park lot required. Case number B 501-07921, Matthew Snyder, Park lot at license. Case number B 501-08021, Matthew Snyder, parking lot rate. Case number B 501-08121, Matthew Snyder, parking lot wreck. Let's have appearances.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Schneider. Mr. Schneider, can you state your name, sir?
Yeah, Matthew Ryan Schneider.
These are matters. Mr. Schneider's company manages properties in Detroit, and these were issued for a parking lot area. He's in the process of getting his license compliance taken care of. He'd like a month. He's waiting to hear back from the city and get his license from the city. Paperwork's been submitted. So if he could have a 30-day adjournment, Judge, hopefully that license will be in his hands.
All right. Madam Clerk, let me have an adjourn date. And at this point, I am going to remove the show cause because Mr. Snyder has showed up in court today, so I'm going to remove the show cause for his failure to appear. Let me have an adjourn date of a month away, Madam Clerk.
July 25th at 8:35.
July 25th at 8:35, Mr. Snyder.
Thank you, sir. This courtroom, sir?
Yes, sir.
Got it.
All right. Thank you. You're free to go.
Thank you. Appreciate you hearing my case too, sir.
And if you have that certificate, Mr. Schneider, just have it handy so you can show it to us on Zoom.
Got it.
Thanks.
Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye. And let me see if Mr. Smith is handy. You know, that Smith family is always a problem, Judge. He's the only one.
Oh, is this the only one left? Mr. James Smith?
Yes, you finished sending it now. I got to, cause my phone, I got an Android phone and it don't work. And my daughter, she just walked in. She can take a picture and send it now.
What's the problem? He's just got a no insurance ticket.
Yeah, he's trying to send over his current insurance, Judge. He's had a problem with his phone. So his daughter's there right now. She's going to send it over.
All right.
He needed a techie to come in.
Well, let me know when you're ready.
All right.
I got information right here. Look. What's over there, Mama? Done.
That's the email?
Yes, the long name Don. Yeah. Give me the insurance thing.
I gotta go back. She needs to go and go pick up the car.
Okay, just do that real quick. Go ahead and get that out the way.
It's capital D?
No, it's not matter. Just put the letters in. Just send it.
Everybody froze. Oh no, maybe not.
Mr. Smith?
Yes, you can send it right now.
Okay, I was gonna say, if there's a problem with that, if your daughter wants to log into Zoom, you can show it on her phone.
Yep. She's doing it right now.
Okay.
Thank you.
you want me to put it, stop. Yeah.
Okay, she sent it.
Okay.
She sent it, right? Mm. You see it went through? Man, I can send on my phone.
So what you gotta do? No.
Trying to see now. See, did she get it?
It hasn't come through yet.
It hasn't.
No. Mr. Smith, can I talk to your daughter, please?
Hello?
Hi. Is there any way that you could dial into Zoom so that you can just show it on the screen?
Yeah. What's the Zoom login?
It's 360-333.
Hold on, I gotta find the app real quick. Not Zoom app. What's the meeting ID?
360-333.
333.
0000.
No, you can just show her on the Zoom.
What? Right?
No, on the phone, you just gotta show her.
Can you just put it in front of the screen?
Let's show one at a time.
We just need the insurance.
Can you see it?
Hold on. I'm gonna mute you here. Oh, I don't know.
Let's move. Can you move it in just a little bit?
Okay, hold on. Turn the camera on.
What's the expiration date on that, ma'am?
9/5/22.
5/22. Yeah, that's good for me, Mr. Zaranek, and
Okay.
Your Honor.
All right, Judge, I think we're ready on Smith.
All right. This is case number SB 121-53061, James Smith, no insurance. Let's have appearances.
Bob Zaranek for James Smith. Mr. Smith, can you state your name, sir?
James Smith.
Thank you. House counsel.
Judge, Mr. Smith's here today on a pretrial. He did show valid documentation. We'd ask for a dismissal.
All right, based on representations of House counsel, I'm gonna dismiss ticket number SB 121-53061. Mr. Smith, you owe us a $25 house counsel fee. How much time do you need to pay?
See how much?
You owe us
$25.
$25 for a house counsel fee. How much time do you need to pay that $25?
I guess a month or something.
All right, I'll give you 30 days, 36districtcourt.org.
So how would I send it? Just
$25, 36districtcourt.org.
okay.
Or you can come down to the court and pay it.
Okay. All right, thank you.
You're free to go.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right.